Hey everyone, just wanted to hop on here and give you guys a little tutorial on how to access your CBYtv and play the videos. So the first thing you want to do is go to our website, www.cherryblossomyoga.com, and then from our homepage across this top menu here, come over to My Library and you'll select that and it'll take you to your library. I have all the products because I'm under administrative, but whatever you're subscribed to, CBYtv, maybe you're a part of the CBY family community group, or if you're signing up for teacher training or whatever. But for CBYtv, you want to come to this under your products and click View Product. Then when you come to this homepage of CBYtv online streaming, you will scroll down and see the categories of classes that we're offering right now. You can come to any of these, whether you want to take an Ashtanga practice, Vinyasa, Fundamentals, Yin, or Restorative, Pranayama. I've also thrown up a little bonus content, some of my CBY online live stream classes I've thrown up there just to give you a little something extra. And I've got some things in the works as well for that bonus section. So for example, let's check the Ashtanga category. So you would select Ashtanga Yoga and then it will open up into all of the different classes that we currently have for the Ashtanga practice. And you can choose any of these practices, whether it's short form or moon sequence or what have you. You can select by hovering over the picture, select that, and it will bring you to this viewing screen. And you can either select it right in the center, or you can come down to the lower left corner and push play in either capacity. You can also kind of read through and see like what that practice is going to bring you. So maybe that's not what you're in the mood for today. Additional or suggested props, some offering of potential music, or if you're interested in it, there's a link to a book for more reading. But then to make it play, you just hover over, again, either the center or this lower left-hand corner and push play, and it will start. And then you can get yourself set up and ready for practice. And it will go all the way through and take Shavasana and then go about the rest of your day. If the kids give you a call or whatever, you can always pause it and go back to your practice. But ideally, you want to carve that space out. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, keep them coming, and I can keep these little tutorial videos coming to assist you. All right, have a good one.